Hi, this is Lucas Isaza with Royal Oak Realty in Ocala, Florida. Enjoy your first showing online, and when you're ready to see it in person, give me a call. Hi everyone, this is Lucas Isaza with Royal Oak Realty. Today we're in beautiful Northwest Ocala, just a few minutes away from the famous World Equestrian Center. For those of you that don't know, Ocala Preserve is home to some amazing resort-style amenities, such as our restaurant, multiple pools, our famous hybrid golf course, in-house spa, pickleball, tennis, just to name a few. More specifically, built by Shea Homes in 2019, is the Affirm model. The Affirm model is just shy of 1,700 square feet. It has 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, a 2-car garage, a flex/office space, and then additionally it has something called a smart room. And the smart room is going to double as a laundry room and an additional office. So without further ado, let's take a look. Coming in through our foyer, immediately you'll be greeted with the flex space. Through the flex space, we'll continue through the foyer. And it's important to know we have a tray ceiling immediately here, which is a nice upgrade. Right here to our left, we're gonna see our private suite bedroom and bathroom. Bathroom has granite countertop. Then we'll move forward to the main living space. And a great upgrade, probably my favorite, is the upgraded flooring. This is tile plank flooring. And in our kitchen, we'll see granite countertops, an upgraded sink, upgraded cabinets, cabinet lighting, crown molding on the cabinets, and some really tasteful backsplash. From the kitchen, let's take a look at that smart room. So as you can see, we have a pretty large laundry room here with plenty of storage and a utility sink built in. And then just on the other side here, we have our built-in office. Coming back through the kitchen, we're gonna see our dining and living space, all equipped with recessed lighting. Through the living room is our screened-in lanai with upgraded shades. And then a real treat about this house is that you could add a private pool here. This is an above average size lot. So as you can see, you have plenty of space, whether it's for a pet or if you ever wanted to add a pool. Through the lanai, let's take a look at our master bedroom. We have a private hallway entrance here. And our master bedroom here with 2 large windows that lets in plenty of light. Next, we have our heavily upgraded master bath. Double vanity, granite, upgraded flooring, and you also have an upgraded shower with a glass door and also tile. I really hope you guys enjoyed your first showing online. Again, this is the Affirm model, and I showed you a quick snapshot of it, but you should really see it in person. So when you're ready to see it, please give me a call. Once again, my name is Lucas Isaza with Royal Oak Realty. I hope you enjoyed your first showing online. When you're ready to see it in person or make an offer, give me a call.